How to buy nextape token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, please make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 1 hour ago and increased by 3,000% in the last 24 hours. The market cap of this token, it's $1.9 million. Now, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your Phantom wallet or any wallet that you use. And after that, what you need to do, just click on swap. Now here, make sure to select the Solana from the top. Now from the bottom here, just click here and now you can paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. And now here you can type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. So to be able to buy this token and complete the buy process, you can now here see the swap. Just click on it and they will redirect you to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy nextape token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.